Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, JDK 17 or newer and VS Code installed. First, set Java Home and add bin to path so tools locate your runtime. Once done, install the Java extension pack plus debugger and maven/Gradle helpers. This gives language features and run/debug integration. Then create a project folder, open it in VS Code, and initialize a Maven or Gradle skeleton so dependencies and build tasks exist. This immediately enables code navigation and task running. Next, focus on the middle steps where configuration matters. Edit POM, XML, or build. Gradle to declare dependencies and source compatibility so compilation matches your target JDK. Make sure the Explorer and Outline panels show your packages. Use problems to jump to errors fast. Then create launch. JSON for debug configurations and tasks. JSON for build commands. This ties VS Code commands to your build tool. Also enable auto-save and format on save, so code style and compilation checks remain immediate and consistent. Finally, run and debug your application. Set breakpoints, launch the debugger, and step through code to verify logic. Use the integrated terminal for MVN or Gradle commands and for Git workflows. This keeps everything in one workspace. When ready, create a jar or use your build tool to package the app and test in the target environment. If something fails, first confirm the correct JDK. Then open the Java extension logs and workspace settings to resolve version or path mismatches. This single tip solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.